So these are some moments that Filipinos just outshine on the international stage, man. This is in 2025 as well, so it's this year, and they're just absolutely outshining. I can't wait to see some of these, because some of these as well, it's not going to be every single one, but some of these I have not seen. I think a lot of them I haven't seen, actually, and you guys linked it over saying, yo, you will enjoy this. Check it out, Vision. So, hey, here we are. Let's do this together. I cannot wait to see the Filipinos outshine on the international stage. Let's see this together. Please, let's go.
Kamusta mga idol?
Kumusta?
Welcome back sa ating
Hey!
channel. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang nakakabilib na kwento ng mga Pilipino na sumasali at namamayagpag sa mga international singing auditions ngayong 2025. Tara, simulan na natin.
Sofronio.
Ngayong 2025, isang bagong kabanata na naman ang sinusulat ng mga Pilipino sa mundo ng musika. Sa iba't ibang dako ng mundo, sa Amerika, sa Canada, Ireland at maging dito sa Pilipinas, namamayagpag ang galing at husay ng mga Pinoy singers. Si Beverly Saraza ay isang Filipina singer mula sa Toronto, Canada. Sa kanyang audition sa Canada's Got Talent 2025, pinatunayan niya na ang talento ng mga Pilipino ay walang kapantay.
I got subtitles here, by the way.
Sa kanyang rendition ng Bang Bang, nina Jessie J, Ariana Grande at Nicki Minaj, pinabilib niya ang buong audience at mga hurado.
Oh, snap out.
Show it off there.
She got a booty like a Cadillac. It's mixed Moscato, it's freezing about it's
Oh, now with the rapper, she really showing it off. Go. I got my neck going. Stop it.
See anybody can be good to you. Wait a minute, let me take it down. Wait a minute till you.
Okay, nah, this is just straight showing off, bro.
Ipinamalas ni Beverly ang kanyang
dude, not the
powerful vocals
tears, no.
at stage presence. Ang kanyang bersyon ng Bang Bang ay puno ng enerhiya at emosyon na nagresulta sa standing ovation mula sa mga hurado at audience. Ayon sa isang ulat, Beverly Saraza captivates the Canada's Got Talent 2025 judges with her powerful voice, leaving them in awe. Si Elizabeth Lyons ay isang 11 taong gulang na mga awit mula sa Chelmsford, Essex.
I'm scared, this is gonna be too good.
Sa Britain's Got Talent 2025, ipinamalas niya ang kanyang kahangahangang talento sa pagkanta ng Let It Go mula sa pelikulang Frozen.
No,
sa kabila
the Frozen
ng
song
kanyang mulang
too.
edad, pinabilib niya ang mga hurado at manunood.
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. The kingdom of isolation, let them in, don't let them see.
Yeah, see, we know this song.
Good girl, you always have to be concealed, don't feel, don't let them know. Here I'll stand, and here I'll stand.
Oh my god, yo, her range, hold on. That upper range too, she's really good at that. Oh! Oh! Oh my! What did I say? Dude, her highs are crazy.
Ipinamalas ni Elizabeth ang kanyang powerful vocals at emosyonal na pag-awit.
That's
ang kanyang
amazing.
rendition ng Let It Go ay puno ng damdamin at husay na nagresulta sa standing ovation mula sa mga hurado at audience. Ayon kay Amanda Holden, I cannot believe such a massive voice comes out of such a little tiny person. Habang sinabi naman ni Alicia Dixon, at the beginning you were very nervous, but I felt by the time we got to the end of the song, you were flying.
Yeah, she was flying there at the end too,
Si
man.
Jessica Manalo ay isang 31 taong gulang na mang-aawit mula sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Sa kanyang blind audition sa The Voice Season 27, ipinamalas niya ang kanyang kahangahangang talento sa pagkanta ng Unholy ni Sam Smith at Kim Petras. Sa kabila ng matinding kompetisyon,
That's a song too,
pinabilib niya ang mga hurado at manunood.
That is a crazy song.
She got married to a boy like you. She kick you out if she ever knew.
Ooh.
And how you don't know how to keep your business clean.
Hit it.
Let's see, daddy. When you want it, baby, I know I got you
That vibrato with the shaking it.
Sa kanyang performance,
Show it all,
ipinamalas
bro,
ni Jessica
dang!
ang kanyang powerful vocals at
Show off them
emosyonal na
voices, bro.
pag-awit. Ang
That's what I'm
kanyang
talking about.
rendition ng Unholy ay puno ng damdamin at husay na nagresulta sa pag-ikot ng dalawang hurado, Michael Bublé at Kelsea Ballerini, upang makuha siya sa kanilang koponan. Sa huli, pinili ni Jessica si Kelsea Ballerini bilang kanyang coach. Sa kabila ng kanyang kahangahangang simula, natapos ang paglalakbay ni Jessica sa yugto ng battles. Sa kanyang Instagram post, ibinahagi niya ang kanyang pasasalamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa kanya at sinabing ito ay simula pa lamang ng kanyang bagong kabanata bilang
So
isang
Fronio
artista.
went with him. You gotta go with, yeah, like, come on.
Si Micaela Bautista ay isang 23 taong
Oh,
gulang
this one.
na mga awit mula sa
I've seen
Rancho
this.
Cucamonga, California.
This is
Ang
unbelievable.
kanyang mga magulang ay parehong mula sa Pilipinas. Ang kanyang ama ay mula sa Cagayan at ang kanyang ina ay mula sa Ilocos Sur. Sa kanyang audition sa
With the
American
dad,
Idol
too.
2025, ipinamalas niya ang kanyang kahangahangang talento sa pagkanta ng Saving All My Love For You ni Whitney Houston.
A few stolen moments is all that we share.
Oh,
You've got your family, just a few minutes more.
it's like easy.
Gonna get
I can hear it over and over.
that feeling when you walk through that door. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love for you.
Oh my
I'm
goodness.
saving all my love for you.
Sa kanyang performance, ipinamalas ni Micaela ang kanyang powerful vocals at emosyonal na pag-awit. Ang kanyang rendition ng Saving All My Love For You ay puno ng
I love
damdamin
it.
at husay. Ngunit ang pinakatampok ng kanyang
But here-
audition ay nang inimbitahan niya ang kanyang ama na sumali sa kanya sa entablado para sa isang duet ng The Prayer.
Nella mia preghiera,
I love it. I can see it
Let this
again.
be our prayer.
Again and again.
quando fece.
Sogniamo un mondo
I could cry again.
senza più violenza, un mondo di
Dolore, pace e di fraternità.
Ang
Dude.
kanilang duet ay nagpakita ng kanilang malalim na
I almost
koneksyon
cried again.
bilang mag-ama at nagdulot ng emosyonal na reaksyon mula sa mga hurado. Hindi lamang ang mga hurado ang napabilib ni Micaela.
I loved it, man.
Pati
Wow.
ang mga manonood ay napahanga sa kanyang talento. Ang kanyang performance ay tinawag na emosyonal at nagdulot
Wow,
ng matinding emosyon sa lahat
These
ng
were some amazing
nakapanood.
moments, bro.
Si Carrie Underwood, na sa una ay hindi kumbinsido, ay nagbago ng kanyang desisyon at binigyan si Micaela ng yes matapos ang duet nila ng kanyang ama. Ang mga Pilipino ay hindi lang basta sumasali. Sila ay nananalo, nagpapabilib at nagiiwan ng marka sa buong mundo. Mula sa matinding emosyon, husay sa teknikal na aspeto, hanggang sa
All of them
kakaibang
were amazing,
karisma,
bro.
tunay ngang proud Pinoy. Ayan mga idol, sana na-inspire kayo sa kwento ng ating mga kababayan. Kung ikaw naman ang susunod na Filipino Pride, simulan mo na.
I don't think there was one that I didn't enjoy. All of them were beautiful. You could just see it showcasing each and every one's unique ability, especially in the Philippines. I mean, Filipinos are one of the greatest at singing. I will always stay true to that, and I always know for a fact that that's the case. But here you can see, even on international stage, them being able to showcase it is the greatest thing. I love this video. Thank you guys for linking it over, and thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hey, if you liked it, leave a like. If you loved it, subscribe. If you want more, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, till next time, guys. Peace.
A river runs through golden sands. Dreams are woven in fragile hands. The moonlight dances
you